So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy music festival tickets here through the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on the home screen, which I'm on right now, or right beside that, press on the search icon, press on the search on SeatGeek, and then select a specific music festival that you're looking to buy tickets for. But if we go back to the home screen here, then go to where it says browse by category and press on view all. On this screen, you can simply just scroll down to where it says Music Festivals and then press on View All. So for this demonstration, it does have the location as Toronto. So you have Summer of Loud, you have Taste of Country, a bunch of different festivals that are in the location you selected. But if you want to change that, go to the top right. So if we wanted to do, let's just say Los Angeles right now, or whatever. There's a bunch of different ones, right? There's Coachella, there's July 4th fireworks spectacles. There's a whole bunch of different shows depending on your location. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy music festival tickets here on the SeatGeek application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.